Morning guys, it's Chris Jones at Dave Brothers RV Sales in London, Kentucky. What we got here is a fresh trade, 2019 Tiffin Wayfarer. Has a Mercedes diesel engine in it, full body paint, outside entertainment, diesel generator. This is a super nice piece, guys. Tell you something else it has too that a lot of these smaller units does not have: auto leveling. Theater seating. Awesome looking coach. Tons of room. Has a Truma hot water system, continuous hot water. Great big shower. Porcelain commode. Awesome coach, guys. Again, this is a 2019 Tiffin Wayfarer. It has 6,000 miles on it. Local trade, one owner. Give us a call. 606-877-1530. Thanks for watching.